This is a tutorial on how to get a Pandora account. You just go to the website. I'm already here, so there's a thing in the corner. You hit register. Put in the needed information, email. And a password. Make sure it's something you'll remember. Your birth year. And your zip code. Your gender. And click register. Something will pop up. Just click continue unless you want to read it, but I'm not gonna. And you can type in your favorite band or singer, but if you can't think of one, just go to the genres. And there's a bunch of different ones. I happen to like country a lot, so I'm just gonna click the country station. And you can add as many stations as you want. Just up here, you put in whatever you want. If you don't like a song, click that. But if you really do like a song, you can click the up arrow, the thumbs up thing, and it'll play more songs like that. And that's pretty. Oh yeah, you have a limited amount of skips, and that is pretty much it. So